In this week's Autodesk Fusion 360 lesson from the Maker Letters, we take a closer look at how we can make our workflows more effective with Extrude Offset. This is a sheet metal wall art project, and we are making wall hangers to create some distance from the wall. This will give the item a three-dimensional look once we have installed it on the wall. Doesn't feel like the best Autodesk Fusion 360 workflow to go through the sheet metal with our extrude commando. This is where Extrude Offset, found under Start, is perfect. Select an offset distance and then decide the extrude distance. I'll set this as a new body and combine all items into one body within this component later. This is what the final wall hanger looks like, and the finished item looks like this on a wall. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the Maker Letters and take a look at this Autodesk Fusion 360 playlist where you find more free Autodesk Fusion 360 tutorials like this one. Thank you.